Hello RC enthusiasts, stay tuned for a short news flash. This is Dave from MeRC, and the new RunCam Micro Sparrow 2 just came in the mail. I like it. Looks like it's pretty purple. So I think the other version of the Sparrow was a 16:9, so this is now 4:3. It's probably to compete with the Predator version of this micro camera. Now you can see it has a wide voltage range, 5 to 36, 2.1 millimeter. And I know there's a PAL version available too, so NTSC had the PAL version. He did a review on that if you want to look at his review. But this one that I have is NTSC. Comes in both versions. The Micro Sparrow 2 only has just one plug with 6 pins on it. And the OSD menu board plugs in right on these 2 pins. There's also a VBAT so you can measure external battery voltage. And then you got your voltage, ground, and video, which is the normal connectors for the camera. It's got a very small form factor. I think they've reduced the size from here to here so it'll fit on almost any small mini quad. It also boasts one touch scene selection so that you can pick the right lighting conditions or the right setup for the camera just by pressing one button on the menu board. Lightrax seems to work very well for this camera. It comes with my favorite menu board with the orange buttons, and also the pack of hardware with the nice silicone wires and a camera mount. So that's just my quick news flash. I wanted to tell you about the camera quickly and get it out there so everybody knew it was available. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.